Hi, in this video we're going to have another look at the spotter. So the spotter can be accessed either by going to Tools then Spotter or hitting Shift Enter. So from within the spotter you can have access to the menu, the different tools, anything, but you can look for example, class such as point. If I go over to point and press Enter, it will open the system browser on the correct class and package. But another thing you can do is, if I go back to point, if I now would like to dive into this class, I can press on the blue arrow. Another thing I can do is toggle the preview, so pressing Command P or clicking on this gray arrow, so Command P will toggle the preview of the spotter. If I press on this blue arrow or press Command Right, so Command Right will dive into the point class. So I have different categories: instance methods, super instance methods, class methods. I can look into them by using hashtag instance. For example, I will have only the instance methods or the instance variables. If I want to dive into this class, into this method there, I can just press Command Right, or I can dive into all the instance methods using Shift Command Right. So this will bring me to all the instance methods. Select about, I have a preview on the right. And if I'm not interested in all of those methods, I can simply press Command and go back, Command Left to go back to the beginning. So point, spotter, and I'm back here. Now, another thing that is nice with the spotter is that if I write something into the playground, for example, if I write date today, I print it, so we have the 10th of May 2020. If I shut this window, now what I can do is go back to the spotter, so Shift Enter, and you can see the history there. But we can go by scrolling, but if I write hashtag playground, you can see that playground name page, playground cage page. So for example here we can press enter on this playground cage page and it will open the playground with the last piece of code that was written. So it can help you if you forgot what you had in your playground before closing it. It can help you handle it. Finally, if you're from within the spotter, you can go into your file system by using /. So right there we're in the file system, and I don't really need the directories or Monticello, so I'll just type files. So those are all the files around my image, so you can see that there is my image here, Wake 5 Live A image. And we can go over to the JPEG, for example. This will open the image. Another thing that we can do is, so if I go back to files, is there is a zip document, and I can go into by pressing Command Right. This will make me go into it, zip, so I can see that there is another JPEG. You can see that there is a text file that I can get a preview from. I can open the JPEG by simply pressing enter. So the spotter can really help you explore both the internal system of Pharo and the external system around it if you need to access some external documents. So I really encourage you to use it. So it's much easier if you learn the shortcuts, so Command Right to dive into, toggle the preview, or Command Left to come back.